Hello, my name is Brenda Walton, and I am a substance abuse counselor at an East Texas Treatment Prison Facility. And I do teach cognitive intervention and thinking for a change. And that is what my informative speech is over. I have one audience member, and that is my nephew, Colton.
Hello.
I would like to start and talk a minute about cognitive intervention and thinking for a change. Have you ever heard of cognitive intervention? Would you like to know how to change your way of thinking in a positive manner? Well, each day that we teach prisoners to help them realize what thinking errors they exhibit and coping skills in order to change their behaviors. When these are taught repetitively, clients will change their way of thinking and produce positive effects. The one thing that we want to eliminate are negative thoughts and consequences that it's produced. This is important to learn and know what your thought process is and exercising your mind in different ways, in a positive way. So, I will teach clients how to do a thinking report. These reports are done by a client. They have to choose a negative action, something that they thought about maybe doing at one point in time or that they did follow through with, and how they could have changed that to a positive at the time if they would have known how to think, stop, think, act, react before making bad decisions and having negative consequences. We have different thinking errors, which is uniqueness, lack of empathy, concrete thinking, victim stance. Let me show you a thinking report about a negative behavior. This particular behavior right here is writing a hot check. That's the activating event. My thoughts was, I need to pay my electric bill. Feelings, being anxious, scared, and sad. Thinking errors, lack of empathy, which means I don't care what other people think. Closed-minded means I'm stuck in my old ways. And concrete thinking, I don't want to change the way I've always been. Attitudes, why can't I make enough money at work? Why can't I do this? I don't want to write a hot check. Belief, I need to be assertive to go to work and ask for a loan. That's the only way I know how to get the money for my electric bill. So this person took a negative, changed it to a positive by stopping and think before they act or react. Okay? Now, another thing that cognitive behavior therapy can help with is restructuring a person who has distorted thinking and negative perceptions. A person can learn the different change processes of thoughts, change negative behaviors, control emotions and actions, and learn not to react negatively to another person's emotions. Instead of acting on the negative and getting into trouble through a conflict, that will be replaced with new thoughts and actions through positive behaviors, and it will make an impact on a person. Clients will also learn what their coping skills are, and which in essence are similar to their own warning signs to look out for so they don't use and relapse. All people who are in recovery for addiction need to be aware of these, and positive coping skills are important. By doing these steps and doing thinking reports, stopping and thinking before they act or react can turn a negative into a positive. Thank you very much for watching my speech, and have a great evening.